Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. I'm going to introduce the concept of web engineering. Web-based systems and applications deliver a complex array of content and functionality to a broad population of end users. Web engineering is important because web applications are becoming an integral part of small to large enterprise companies. The need to build reliable, usable, and adaptable systems are becoming popular. So we need a disciplined approach to web application development. Like any engineering discipline, web engineering applies generic approach with specialized strategies, tactics, and methods. The web engineering process begins with a formulating of the problem to be solved by the web application. So web project is planned and the requirements of the web application are analyzed. Web engineering is a process to create high quality web application. What is quality? Quality means fitness for the purpose for which software or product is developed as per the requirements of the customer. That means customer must be satisfied and happy. Quality is achieved by implementing of standard processes to analyze, design, and develop the website. This rule implements for the development of any product. We have two popular quality standards available for the software development, for the web development. Question raises here, what are the names of those standards? ISO, International Standard Organization Capability Maturity Model, are the two popular standards for the software and the web development. ISO is an organization that is working globally to implement the standards. When any company achieved ISO certification, means its products are of high quality and it is standardized company. ISO has different standards for different products. The most commonly used ISO standards are ISO 9001, 2. ISO 9001 version 2000 is applicable for all types of organizations. How many types of organizations we have? There are two main types of organizations. We have product-oriented organizations and we have service-oriented organizations. For example, Honda, Toyota, Suzuki, Ford, all car manufacturing companies, they have their products as well as their service centers. For example, in Saudi Arabia, Latif Jameel company is responsible to sell, to market Toyota products. Latif Jameel has showrooms as well as it has service centers where you can repair and maintain your car, and the showroom is to sell the products. STC, Saudi Telecom company, like in Pakistan we have PTCL, it has products as well as it has services. Nestle, Unilever, Almarai company, it has their products as well as it has service centers. Toshiba, Samsung, Apple has products as well as service centers. So we have different standards before ISO 9001 version 2000 for product oriented companies and different standards for service oriented companies. But ISO 9001 version 2000 is applicable for all type of companies, whether it's product-oriented company or service-oriented company. ISO has 20 classes. Each class defines various processes to implement the phases of software development. For example, if we are implementing the ISO 9001 version 2000 for software development, the software development organization has to implement the various processes, define the quality standard manual, and to document the implementation of each process. There is a certification authority in every country, like in Pakistan we have Moody. In Saudi Arabia, we also have Moody, and their head office is in Hoover. The controlling body, the ISO Certification Authority, will continuously track the documentation, that whether the company they want to issue the certification, they want to accredit the certification, is implementing each and every process defined in the ISO standards or in the every clause of ISO, and then certification authority will issue the ISO certification after the satisfaction that software is being developed with high quality and all the processes are implemented and documented. Software Engineering Institute of Carnegie Mellon University introduced CMM. CMM is the Capability Maturity Model. CMM quality standard has 5 levels, and each level defined key process areas. Level 1 doesn't have any KPA. if you achieve ISO, you are at level 1. So KPIs are defined for level 2 and then level 3, level 4, level 5. There are 5 levels in CMM. If software company has achieved ISO, that means the company is at level 1 and then they can start KPIs of level 2. CMM determines the maturity of the company, that how much company is mature in terms of their processes, in terms of their developers. For example, Microsoft, IBM, Google, Facebook, how long they are implementing their processes, how much their processes are mature in terms of implementation, in terms of customization. Because of the drawback that if you achieve ISO, you are at level 1. The Software Engineering Institute introduced CMMI, Capability Maturity Model Integration. It has 6 levels. If software company achieved ISO, that means it is at level 0. And then for level 1, KPIs are defined, and then level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Netsol company in Pakistan is the first company who achieved the CM level 5. In Saudi Arabia, there are 2 companies who achieved the CM level 5. One is Wipro and another is government department. CMI has 6 levels from level 0 to level 5. Level 0 means incomplete when you achieve the ISO. Level 1 perform, level 2 manage, level 3 defined, level 4 quantitatively managed, level 5 optimized. The only those companies come under the level 0 that did not define their software development processes and they have achieved the ISO. They rely on individual efforts in order to achieve success or failure. Software development process is used merely for completing few basic processes. The performed level is achieved by those organizations that define most of their processes in order to calculate the cost, schedule and effort. All the activities regarding management and software development are also documented after completing the activities of repeatable level during the defined level. The detailed actions are taken to control and understand the software development process after completing all the activities of quantitatively managed level. Software beta version is released. It goes through changes in terms of improving the functionalities and its reliability after taking the feedback from the customer during the optimized level. We also complete all activities of quantitatively managed level. Each of the CMI level defines several key process areas except level 0. KPIs are evaluated through key performance indicators. For example, if the software company has implementing the standard processes, how much the customization is there and how much consistently they are customizing their processes and they are continuously improving that. KPI, for example, that software company has implementing the standard methodology. The KPI, how much it is time saving, cost saving, effort saving, resource saving, these are the key performance indicators. Architectural, navigational, interface designs are conducted. The system is implemented using specialized languages and tools associated with the web, and testing is conducted. Because web applications evolve continuously, mechanisms for quality assurance and ongoing support are needed. Web engineering is concerned with the establishment and the use of scientific engineering and management principles and disciplined and systematic approach to the successful software development and maintenance of high quality web-based systems and applications. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.